Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku. Today morning I decided let me take my breakfast very fast and start cleaning. My house was in a mess, so I got a new duvet from Prolific Carpets on TikTok, and they're also based in Kamukunji. If you need them, you can just tell me, I'll plug you. They do sell quality things. So look at my sitting room, by the way. It was in a mess. I slept late. I was packing some orders, so hizi ni nguo za kuuza, they are not my clothes. Nguo zangu chafu huwa naeka kwa my laundry basket or kani safi at my cloth rack. So I did my devotion at night and decided let me just go and sleep. Kuna orders zenye nimepack hapo, so I'll just finish it later. So look at the mess that is in my house. So I'm sorry for that, the way my shirt is. I'm sorry, I apologize. So I decided to make my bed, and these days I'm suffering while making my bed because but I thank God for the blessings. If that will be the struggle, then I accept it because I'm so grateful to God. I got a seat. If you didn't see that video, please do go ahead and watch it. So these days I don't like spread my bed that seriously, but I'll try and see how I'll be making my bed. Just look, I was suffering to just remove the dust, and I didn't want to step on my bed sheets. So yeah, but I thank God for this far. So I decided to change the duvet because hiyo ikukuwa refu, so I wasn't happy. Although I'm not satisfied with this one, so I want to save up for a good duvet. If you know of any good duvet, ile tu yenye ume experience, it's a good one. Aki, please comment down below. Please comment down below, because I'm looking for one that I'll just like give it my all. And yeah, I won't go back to the shop and try to look for another duvet, because this one I know it won't stay with me for long. But anyway, so let's make my bed. Yeah, so today I also decided like I'll be cleaning some specific areas in my house. Yeah, because I don't like usually focus on all the areas, especially when I'm doing laundry, because after umeshafua, and then the fact that I'm in a single room, I have to go down fetch water, nipandishe kwa stairs, ndoe tena nikitaka kumwaga maji chafu. So at the end of the day, I'm always tired. But I decided the day I'll be doing laundry is the day that I'll be also cleaning my kitchen. In the days that I won't be doing laundry, I'll be focusing on my couch, my bed, and my shoe rack, my TV stand. Yeah, just like that. I think it will be much better. So, yeah. So my seat, I do use any detergent. Huwa natumia any that having. So leo natumia Msafi, and then I just take kitambaa and a clean water, and then you just squeeze it very well, and then you start wiping. It won't take long before it dries up, and the best thing is that this material is so good. Like when you wipe the dirt off, it just gets out. So I'm just praying to God that even the tabaki, because I don't want to have stress. And I really love it, by the way. It was so beautiful in my house. So that's how I do it. So I'll let it dry in that way. Nitaziacha tu zikauke tu hivyo pole pole. For now I want to focus on my shoe rack and my TV stand. I want to remove the shoes, the handbags. Hizo mafuta ziko hapo juu, just wipe all the dust, and then I'll return them later. I also have to clean my TV stand because I don't normally wipe it that thoroughly. So nataka focus on that also. Then also my dispenser. For my carpet, I'm not cleaning it up because niliosha. Yeah. I'll allow my shurak to dry up before I put back all the things that were on it. So my mirror na struggle to clean it up, so even I'm not bothering about it, nitaacha tu ikae hivyo. So right now I just want to focus on my TV stand, nitoe hizo uchafu zote, I clean it up. Yeah. So I'm done wiping off the dust that was on my TV stand, as the same as to my dispenser. So now I'll just allow them to dry up. For my TV stand, before I return all the things that zilikuwa hapo ndani, I'll have to allow it to dry up. And also my shoe rack, I'm not in a rush to return them because I'm not cleaning my carpet. Nilishaiosha before my couch came, so it's not that dirty. And for my cushions, nitaacha tu zikauke hapo pole pole. Right now I just want to focus on my cloth rack, although there's not much to be done over this side. Those are the clothes that I'm selling. So the one who plugged me about Komboya soda water and vinegar and jig, it really worked very well. Thank you so much. At least my doormats, they are coming back to life. So yeah, there's not much to be done on this side. I'm just trying to arrange the clothes where they're supposed to be and also put them back at their right places. So for me, when I finish washing my clothes, zikikauka nianue, I do fold them right away. Sitakangi kurudisha zikiwa kazi ziko folded. So yeah, there's not much to be done, although I'm not satisfied with this cloth rack because right now I think I'm buying so many clothes and zinanishinda kupanga, to be honest. So sijui, I'm the one who's using this cloth rack in a wrong manner ama, but ikifika kwa kuhang my jackets and my sweaters, I'm good at it. So I forgot to clean on top of my bed, although this is a place where I do clean frequently. It's mostly nikichange bed sheets. Yeah, so ikukuwa na dust mob, so I just hate to clean it up to fulfill the satisfaction in my heart. I hate to clean it up, but ikukuwa na dust hadi, and then nimeekelea shuka because I don't want to dirtify my duvet. So I do take places zenye nalala, I do take serious caution when it comes to cleanliness. Sitakangi kulala and I feel like my face, first of all, I have a sensitive face and also sneezing, so sipendangi kukua in a place whereby there's a lot of dust. So right now I'll just brush all the dust from my carpet and then you'll just see the final product. But kama umereach to this point, Akita, thank you so much for the love, the support. Thank you for commenting down below, for liking my videos, sharing. Thank you. May God bless you. And if you haven't subscribed na umefika to this point, please do subscribe. Welcome to all the subscribers who are new here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to watch the other videos if you haven't watched them. Nime upload a lot of videos over this week, so please do go and watch the rest. So as you can see, my carpet wasn't that dirty. Ilikuwa tu inataka itolewe some particles zenye zimeanguka, and then I proceeded to wash my kitchen area, kupanguza to the floor, and that was it. Like sikufanya anything else. I just relaxed and went to take a bath. That's it. So let's meet on the next video. Okay, enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you.